few things in the world are as difficult to deal with as tooth pain. Tooth pain after filling a cavity can be especially frustrating. You went to the dentist looking for relief, and sometimes, you end up leaving in more pain than you had when you came to the dentist in the first place. On the bright side, we have plenty of tips and tricks that will show you how to relieve tooth pain today. Now, I will share with you about how to get relief from tooth pain after filling a cavity. Number 1. Cold compresses. One of the most tried and true toothache remedies to reduce the swelling and pain associated with a toothache is a cold compress. Simply apply a nice pack to your cheek on the side of your face where you're experiencing dental pain, and you will get some immediate relief from the pain associated with the dental issue. It also does a number on any swelling you may be experiencing. Number 2. Aspirin. Painkillers provide quick, effective relief for minor toothaches. Having a sore tooth can make it difficult to eat, speak and even sleep, so an over-the-counter pain medicine can help ease the pain. Do not place the aspirin on the gum of the affected tooth. Aspirin is an acid and will burn your gums. Swallow the aspirin instead. Number 3. Clove oil. Cloves have been used for centuries to provide relief toothache pain thanks to the compound eugenol, which is present in cloves. There are some different ways you can use cloves to treat dental issues. Cloves can be used whole, powdered, or in their most effective form, as a concentrated oil. While clove oil is most effective, it may not be as readily available to you as whole or powdered cloves. Number 4. Ice pack. Fill a Ziploc bag with ice, wrap a cloth around it, and hold it over your cheek where it hurts. The cold temperature will numb the pain. Do not apply the ice directly on the affected tooth. Teeth inflamed by toothaches are sensitive to hot and cold temperatures, so this will only increase the pain. Number 5. Sea salt rinse. Another remedy for providing toothache relief which is seemingly as old as time is a sea salt rinse. A salt rinse is a great way to clean and sanitize the affected area. It can also eliminate any pus or discharge that you're experiencing as a result of the tooth pain. Plus, it can also help prevent swelling as well. To make your own saltwater rinse, combine a teaspoonful of salt with 6 ounces of hot water. Mix the salt around until it has fully dissolved. Swish the salt water around in your mouth for 30-45 seconds. You can repeat a saltwater rinse several times throughout the course of the day and it is a great way to provide temporary relief of your symptoms. Number 6. Hard liquor. Alcohol is an antiseptic and an astringent and can help ease the pain of a toothache. Swoosh a bit of whiskey, scotch or vodka. Another option is pouring some on a cotton ball and applying it to the sore tooth. A strong mouthwash with alcohol will also work. Number 7. Hydrogen peroxide rinse. Similar to saltwater solution, a hydrogen peroxide rinse is another effective way to provide temporary relief from dental pain. Unlike salt water, hydrogen peroxide contains agents that can attack and destroy bacteria, instead of just rinsing some of it away. For this reason, it can be a more effective toothache home remedy. Hydrogen peroxide can burn your mouth if it is not diluted, so you will want to mix equal parts peroxide with water before you put it in your mouth. You'll probably find that 1 ounce of hydrogen peroxide and 1 ounce of water is plenty to do the trick. Number 8. Garlic. What is good for teeth pain? Try garlic. Garlic is a great way to prevent more bacteria from infiltrating the affected tooth. To use this remedy, just mash up a clove of garlic and apply the crushed garlic to the affected tooth. Leave the garlic on the tooth for a few minutes, then rinse your mouth out with salt water or hydrogen peroxide rinse. Number 9. Vanilla extract. We already mentioned hard liquor as a remedy. But, that may not be something you have readily available in your home. On the other hand, you may have vanilla extract in your spice cabinet. Since it is primarily made from alcohol, it can provide you with tooth pain relief in a pinch. To use this remedy, soak a cotton ball in vanilla extract and apply it to the affected tooth. As a bonus, the soothing scent of the vanilla will provide you with some aromatherapy benefits as well.